Want to turn your skills into a lucrative online career? Freelancing could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's dive into the world of freelancing step by step. First things first, what is freelancing? It's offering your services to multiple clients on a project basis, giving you the flexibility to choose projects that excite you and potentially earn more based on your skills. Identifying your skills and niche is crucial. List your strengths, whether you're a writer, designer, or developer. Then, narrow down to a specific area where you excel. Choosing the right freelance platform is key. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a variety of projects. Pick one that aligns with your skills and desired work type. Crafting a standout profile is your chance to shine. Use a professional photo, write a compelling bio, and showcase your best work. Setting your rates requires research. Check market rates and decide on your pricing structure. Per hour, per project, or package deals. Your call. Finding and attracting clients involves crafting winning proposals and networking. Tailor your proposals to each project and engage in relevant online communities. Delivering quality work on time is non-negotiable. Meeting deadlines and asking for reviews will build your reputation. Tips for success? Stay organized with tools like Trello. Keep learning to stay competitive and manage your finances wisely. Starting a freelancing career is about identifying your skills, choosing the right platform, setting your rates, and building a strong reputation. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Share your freelancing journey in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.